Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have a Fiat 500, you need to find the fuse for the OBD port, for the diagnostic port guys. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. If you plug a diagnostic to and it does not connect, check that fuse guys. Also, make sure to send till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse and how to test it as well. We're going to share that with you as we go. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So let's explain what we have specifically here. 2015 Fiat 500 guys. This is the Abarth, but even if you have non-Abarth version, practically it will be guys the same. So what we have specifically here, if you come right here under the pedals guys, okay, right there, you're going to have a fuse box. Okay, I'm talking about that fuse box right here. And if you pay attention here now guys to that fuse box, the fuse that you need to check for the diagnostic tool, okay, will be a 10 amp fuse, and in our case for the 2015 model. And if you come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fuse number 5, that 10 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check for the diagnostic tool, which is located right here. You can see if it's not connecting, test that fuse guys. Now I'll recommend to always test fuses, pull them out, test them. I'll put a link to a special video that explains how to test a car fuse in just a few seconds, because you may think you have a good fuse when you look at it, but if it's bad you may end up spending quite a bit of time and money to fix your car. Also, if you need to buy fuses for a really good price, you can buy the whole box with free fuse pullers guys, for the price of just buying a couple fuses at the parts store. I'll put the link in the description of the video below, please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.